Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video, we are going to talk about while loops in Python. In Python, a while loop is a control structure that allows us to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specified condition remains true. The loop continues to execute until the condition evaluates to false. As one condition code to be executed while the condition is true. Condition is a Boolean expression, an expression that evaluates either true or false. The loop will continue executing as long as this condition is true. Let's perform an example in order to understand. Count equal to 1 while count less than or equal to 5, print count, and then count plus equal 1. As you can see, we got our output 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this example, the while loop continues to execute as long as the condition, which is count less than or equal to 5, remains true. Inside the loop, the value of count is incremented by 1 in each iteration until it reaches 6, at which point the condition becomes false and the loop terminates. While loops are useful when we need to perform a task repeatedly until a certain condition is met, and we don't know in advance how many iterations will be needed. However, it is essential to be cautious when using while loops to avoid infinite loops, where the condition never becomes false. So when we write count equal 1, here we start by setting a variable named count to 1. This is our starting point for counting. While counting less than or equal to 5, here we use a loop called while. It's like saying while the count is less than or equal to 5, do the following. And inside the loop print count, we print the current value of count. So it starts by printing 1, and then we make count plus equal 1. After printing, we add 1 to the current count to get the next number. So it goes from 1 to 2, then 3, 4, and finally 5. The loop keeps repeating the printing and counting process until count becomes 6. When count is 6, the condition count less than or equal to 5 is no longer true, and the loop stops. That's why the result is printing from 1 to 5. Now let's make another example to make it easier to understand. Counter equals 5, and then while counter more than 0, print countdown, and then counter. Then counter minus equal 1. Let's run our code. As you can see, we got countdown, which is our string that we put in print function. So we got countdown 5, countdown 4, 3, 2, and 1. We initialize a variable called counter with the value of 5. While counter more than 0, this while loop will continue executing as long as counter is greater than 0. Inside the loop print countdown and counter, we print a message indicating the current countdown value, and the counter variable is included in the message. Counter minus equal 1. After printing, we decrement counter by 1 to count down the next value. The loop repeats this process until counter becomes 0. Once counters reach 0, the condition counter more than 0 is no longer true, and the loop stops. So the output is countdown 5, countdown 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thanks for watching. If you find this content valuable and would like to see more, please show your support by hitting the like button. Your likes helps us reach more viewers who might benefit from this content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Please don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy analyzing.